Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to do an unboxing and first impressions of some cash envelopes that I got from Our Budget Life. She has a shop on Etsy. All right, so I just got back from the P.O. box and this is the package that it came in. It is just a regular mailer and it has, this is my P.O. box, I don't care if it's on here. And it says do not bend, so it was packaged really well. It's not bent in any way. All right, let me open this up. She had reached out to me by email. I had mentioned in a video that I was looking for some new cash envelopes and she gave me a credit to her Etsy store. I paid for the shipping, but she was kind enough to give me a credit to purchase these. All right. Let's put this aside here. This is really packaged nicely. So all of the envelopes are in this plastic cellophane wrap. Let's see which way to open it here. All right, so the first thing is a thank you. And this is, her name is Melanie Fox, and the name of the Etsy shop is Our Budget Life. And I will have her linked down below in the description box. And there's just a note on the back side. The note says, Lisa, thank you so much for your order for cash envelopes. I really hope you like them. I rounded the corners for you specifically since you mentioned you preferred rounded corners in one of your videos. That is really sweet. I do prefer the rounded edges. All right, so the first thing are these cash envelope trackers. And let's see, we've got category, date description, plus or minus, and the balance. This is really nice. Oh, and they're two-sided. So they're printed on both sides. That's really nice. Because I had asked too if anybody knew of where I could purchase some cash envelope trackers. Let me count these really quickly and I'll tell you how many there are. So there are 20 trackers, which matches the amount and the number of envelopes that I got from her. So 20 trackers came in the package. Let's see here. All right. Let's get to the envelopes. Oh, wow, these are really pretty. So I did make some notes that I have off to the side here. So these, it says on her Etsy shop that the envelopes are 7 by 3.5. This is holographic. That is really, really pretty. The edges are rounded, which is fabulous. I really like rounded edges. And these open horizontally, which I like. I'm not a big fan of the envelopes that open from the top. So that is really, really pretty. And then here's, oops. This is a chevron pattern, also holographic. I hope that's picking up on camera. I ordered these on 6/14. She shipped them the next day on the 15th, and they arrived today, and today is June 23rd. So they do ship from Canada, so it takes a couple days to get here, but really quick turnaround. So this is kind of a, this one's not holographic, but it has kind of a C pattern. This is another holographic. Hopefully that's picking up nicely. So 5 envelopes on her Etsy page is $6.53. She offers a variety of options in terms of like customizing them. She'll do a 6-hole punch. She will also do a happy planner punch, which is the disc-based system. And then she has an option to either do oval labels or rectangular, and then she can customize the labels as well. So that's nice. So she will print your categories for you if you ask her to do so. So these are really nice. I love this holographic print. That is really pretty. I love the colors that she has. And at the end, I am going to insert a clip of her Etsy page. I'm just going to go through all of the cash envelopes that she has available right now. She has a lot of items, not just cash envelopes, but she also has stickers too. If you guys like doing planning stickers, she has monthly stickers, transaction logs. She has the little dots for the calendar view, which is really nice. And then I've seen other people do this in planning videos and even budgeting. The small boxes that you can use in the Erin Condren, and I think they probably fit Happy Planner too, where you can color code your expenses. She has those too. So I hope you guys will check her out. These are really nice. They're well made too. Let me just say that I've had some other envelopes sent to me, and the lamination has been really thin, and when the lamination is thin, it doesn't hold up to adding money, taking money out over and over and over again, because I do this every single week. I can tell you that this, hopefully you can hear that, this is thick, but it's not so thick that you can't move it around. So the quality is really nice. I just love these patterns. It's very beachy and summer, like a summer blue. Very, very nice. So I did order 2 different sets, and I got a quantity of 2 of each set so that they would be matching, because I really wanted the same color scheme, and I needed 20 envelopes. So that is really nice. All right, I am super excited to use these. She did send me the stickers. I don't know if this is going to pick up on camera or not. Probably not, but this is rectangular, and then these are oval. I know it's not picking up, but these are stickers. I have a label maker that I'm going to use. I wanted to see how they would come. I didn't know if she would put the stickers on the envelope or not, and I'm glad that she didn't, because my label maker, it prints out square, obviously square labels, and I think I'm just going to put labels on the side here. After I picked the oval label, I thought, darn, you know, she puts that on the envelope itself. I'm going to really have a hard time centering it, so I'm glad that it didn't come that way. I did grab a dollar bill just so you guys can get an idea of the size versus a dollar bill. And there's actually quite a bit of room. So lots of room to put a lot of money, and the dollar fits in there really nicely. Let me grab one of these trackers. The tracker fits in there nice too. I am super excited to use these. I think I might put this video out on Friday so that I can use these for my cash envelope stuffing. I'm definitely going to do that. All right, so again, this is her Etsy page is called Our Budget Life. I am going to have her link down at the bottom. Stay here for just a minute, and I'm going to insert a clip of all of the cash envelopes that she currently has offered in her Etsy store right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and Melanie, thank you so much for being so sweet to give me a credit. I am going to be using these for a long time to come. So thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.